Welcome to 16 Wicks Drive, a beautifully renovated 4+1 bedroom brick home with 3 washrooms situated within Central East Ajax's Midtown community, close to a wealth of prime amenities. Evergreens line an interlocking walkway to the front entrance, and beyond the entry door is a main level showcasing the warmth of hardwood flooring, the elegant finishing details of crown moldings and chair rail, pot lighting, as well as generously sized principal rooms. To the left of the foyer is the entry into a gorgeous formal dining room that is fully open to an equally gorgeous designer kitchen. Incredibly spacious, the dining room can readily accommodate large-scale entertaining. French doors and a coffered ceiling enhance the formality of the space, while a contemporary chandelier adds a touch of modern elegance. A home chef's delight, the custom kitchen is a showcase of workspace functionality without sacrificing beauty. The cabinetry offers exceptional storage that includes a huge pantry area, while some of the upper cabinets have glass-paneled doors as a stylish focal point. Under-cabinet lighting highlights the stone-tiled backsplashes and the stunning quartz counters, and the kitchen also features breakfast seating at the peninsula, a white side-by-side fridge-freezer and a built-in dishwasher, a stainless steel double undermount sink, gas stove, and range hood, and enjoys the added natural brightness that streams through its west and south-facing windows, as well as through the east-facing bow window in the dining room. The fenced backyard is a wonderful seasonal entertaining space, and through the walkout is a wood deck partially covered by a gazebo that is perfect for outdoor dining, a huge interlocking patio surrounding an in-ground pool, and the yard also comes with an outdoor propane fireplace. An oversized wall cutout allows for a more open feel between the kitchen and the family room, with this warm and inviting gathering space enjoying backyard views through a west-facing window complete with California shutters, and also having the added coziness of a wood-burning brick fireplace. The main level additionally features a double-coat closet off the reception hall, an elegant powder room with a stone-topped furniture-style vanity and papered walls above the chair rail, as well as a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and a side door to access the front and backyards. To the upper level is a staircase with dark-stained hardwood treads, white risers, and wrought iron pickets, and the chair rail along its wall is continued throughout the upper hallway, which is finished with hardwood flooring. And the remainder of this level showcases 4 spacious bedrooms, all with the coziness of broadloom, 2 washrooms, a linen closet, and crown moldings throughout. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms feature ample closet storage and good-sized windows for natural brightness, and all 3 share the 5-piece main washroom, which features a wall-to-wall vanity with undermount basins and accent pot lighting, a tiled floor, as well as a tiled bath and shower area. The generously sized master suite can easily accommodate a sitting area and enjoys beautiful morning light through its east-facing windows. Its walk-through closet is complete with organizers and provides access to a 3-piece ensuite washroom featuring a tiled floor, a contemporary vanity with undermount basin, as well as a tiled walk-in shower area. This beautiful home also showcases a double-car garage with driveway parking for up to 4 vehicles, upgraded trims and baseboards throughout, and includes all electrical ceiling light fixtures, a central vacuum system, as well as all the pool equipment. Newly and fully finished, the lower level features the coziness of broadloom and the brightness of pot lighting throughout and has lots of storage space, including built-into-the-wall storage cabinets in the extra-large recreation area. This level additionally features a very generously sized bedroom with a sitting area and a ceiling fan, and which also showcases 2 ensuite bonus rooms. The first one has a sliding door with translucent glass panels and is currently used as a walk-in dressing area and closet, yet has a rough-in for water, giving it future potential as an ensuite washroom. While the other bonus room, which is ideal as a private home office or for storage, can easily be converted into this bedroom's walk-in closet if a washroom is desired. A short walk to Cataraqui Public School, Miles Park, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, and public transit, this home is just a short drive to community and recreational facilities, the GO Station, as well as Ajax's exceptional waterfront park, and also enjoys quick access to Highway 401.